Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here. Well, there you go, Heist Game's right there. We're playing Heist Game, as we've just seen. It's an indie game made in Unity. It's on itch.io, and yeah, I'm not entirely sure what to expect. I think it's going to be one of them games. It's maybe a prototype of something or other. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, I think it should be fairly decent, maybe. Like I said, it's on itch.io, and I will leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself. It says a short game about stealing everything from a bank. But we have bank and jewelry store. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go with bank first then. Press enter. Left mouse button to interact. Steal objects by taking them outside. Steal as much as you can before the time runs out. Okay, 3:45. We can run. What the hell? Okay, so we can... Ooh. Oh, we can smash things as well. Alright. Alright, so can we just... Yep, we can. Okay, this is... I wasn't expecting this. I really wasn't expecting this. Score, 180. Oh my god, we can steal the... We can steal the sink. Okay, what else is there? Oh, we're in the vault. We found the vault. Oh, hello. We will steal this, baby. Oh, I missed. Sorry, I tried to throw it out the window. Ready? Oh. There we go. Oh, yes, that was worth it. I'll steal a chair, because why not? I'll steal a desk again, because why not? This is really good. I honestly didn't expect this. Well, in all fairness, I don't know what I was expecting. I really don't know what I was expecting. You can steal everything. This is great. Oh, I love smashing the windows as well. It's so simplistic, but it's really good. That's not outside. We steal filing cabinets. I mean, come on, seriously. Hey! Oh, I'm going to steal the big table. There we go. Yeah. Another big table. Oh, it won't go through. Oh. There we go, we got it. There's got to be some more goodies stashed somewhere, like a big gem. Oh, that's outside. Okay. What's through there? Not sure, but let's throw a chair through and find out. I love the way the music stops when you... when you smash glass. Oh, come on. I want that bookcase. There we go. Desk. There we go. What is... Okay. That's mine now. Oh, there is a safe. I will have the safe. There we go. Oh, I won't go out. Okay. Do I have to escape before the time runs out, I think? I'm not sure. It's kind of original, this. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. I really don't think I have. I'm going to run out just in case. In fact, I'll steal the chair as well. I don't know if I have to get out, but... Oh, wow. Okay, so we stole $3,070 worth of stuff out of a possible 4,640. Nice. Nice. Okay, should we try the jewelry? I'm going to go jewelry store. I'm going to have to. Gonna have to. Right, here we go. We're ready? Yeah! Right. Take that, jewelers. Take that. There we go, and we're in. What else could we do? In fact, I'm gonna... There we go. Smash that open. Throw stuff out. Yeah, baby. I don't endorse this kind of behaviour. Don't do this in real life, guys. Unless you are a professional burglar. Oh, I didn't smash that one. There we go. There we go. So that's mine. This is mine. This is all mine. That's mine. That's mine. This is great. This is great. I could do this all day long. Sure, maybe I need to do this instead of YouTube. I make more money. Oh, dropped a couple on the floor. Let's see if there's anything in the back, like a safe or something I can steal. Oh, there's a gem there. I have that. Oh, won't go out there. Alright. Throw that front. It's mine. What we got? Oh, there's an exit here. Okay. Safe. There is no windows. Oh, that's locked. Okay, so I need to somehow get the safe through. Yeah. I need to get the safe through there. Oh, come on. There we go. That's it. Go on. Hey! And the safe is mine. Ooh. Oh, that's stuck in our way. Oh, it is. I can throw stuff through it. Steal some chairs as well again. Just my cars. Table. Thank you. Another chair. Another chair through. That's not going to go anywhere. 49 seconds. Ooh, there's a big gem there. To see it. Come on. Dude, I love the music. It's really good. I just hope it's not copyright. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, we got 8 grand. Yeah, I definitely need to do this and not YouTube. Definitely. I make way more money. And I'm getting out of here just in case. I'm happy with that. 8,400. It's good enough. Julie's jewellery. Oof, 11, just under 11.5 grand. Wow. I didn't do too bad then with that 8,400. Okay. Well, guys, that was a heist game. I quite enjoyed that. So, give a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't, but let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. And yeah, that was Heist Game. Very simplistic, but real good fun. Heist Game. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Guys, thank you very much for watching.